Assalamu alaikum kiddos. Do you want to explore fruits with me? Let's go. What's this? Wow, this is a mango. Mango, yellow color mango. হলুদ রঙের আম. Mango is a summer fruit. Let's cut it. Wow, mango is yellow outside and also yellow inside. What's next? Wow, this is a banana. Banana, yellow color banana. হলুদ রঙের কলা. I love banana. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, let's cut it. Banana is yellow outside and white inside. Wow, what's this? This is a green apple. This is a green apple. সবুজ রঙের আপেল. Let's cut it. Wow, green apples are green outside and white inside, but this toy is green inside too. What's this? This is a grape. This is a grape. Purple color grape. বেগুনি রঙের আঙুর. Let's cut it. Grapes are purple outside and also purple inside. What's this? This is a guava. This is a guava. Green color guava. সবুজ রঙের পেয়ারা. Let's cut it. Wow. Guavas are green outside and white inside. What's this? This is a star fruit. Star fruit. Green color star fruit. Star fruits are green outside and also green inside. Let's cut it. Ooh, this toy star fruit is white inside, but in real, star fruits are also green inside. Green star fruit. সবুজ রঙের কামরাঙা. What's this? This is a pear. This is a pear. Peach color pear. মানে নাশপাতি. Let's cut it. Oh, this toy is peach color outside and also peach color inside. But in real, peaches are peach color outside and white inside. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.